Swadikap, welcome to this Mindy service. This is the review of the customer number 090. This is their laptop. I think this is very old model. Customer sent us that the laptop was not able to turn on. After we diagnosed there's something wrong with the power buttons and ribbon cable. So we managed to fix it and the broken hinge as well on both sides. We fixed the body and the power buttons and now it's able to turn on perfectly. And I'll let you know if you have the same problems you might facing your laptop's not able to turn on. Feel free to contact us at this Mindy service for the services. Gonna see you on the next video. Bye bye.